Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a refund from Condor Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Condor Airlines account, which of course I've done right here. Now for you to create an account on Condor Airlines, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com/US or EN, and it's going to take you to the official website for Condor. In the official website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's learn how to get a refund from Condor. First thing I would like to let you know is that you cannot cancel a Condor flight online. Yes, you can do that by phone, through a sales office, at an airport ticket counter, or through your travel agent. So you can head over to your Condor homepage and click on this customer support button and follow through with the prompt to reach out to them, letting them know that you want to cancel your flight and you want to request a refund. Now let's get a bit of what the refund policy looks like. Condor refund policy provides some flexibility to travel plans. The major highlights of the refund policy are as follows. Refunds for flight cancelled within the free 24-hour window will be issued within 7 days. Now, outside of the 24-hour window, only Flex and Flex Plus fares are refundable up to 24 hours before departure. Flex fares incur a cancellation fee, all classes, whereas Flex Plus fares can be cancelled free of charge. Light and Classic fares are non-refundable across all travel classes. Refunds are available for ticket purchased directly from Condor or through authorized travel agents. Refund requests for flight booked through third-party websites or travel agents must be made directly with the third party. Refund requests must be made within 1 year of the ticket issuance date. If your flight is successfully cancelled by Condor, you have the right to a full refund. And if your flight is significantly delayed, you are entitled to a refund and in some cases compensation as well. So once you have read all of these things, you will now be able, okay, so let's just go. So the main thing is how to actually get the refund. So let's go the way down to refund requests. So refund requests can be submitted by email. This is how you can get a refund. You can submit a refund request by email at reservation.en@condor.com or by contacting Condor's customer service team by phone. To learn how to get a refund from Condor Airlines or to check the status of your Condor refund request, call Condor toll-free from USA and Canada or send an email to reservation.en@condor.com. This is how you can reach out to the customer support by phone. Head over to the homepage for Condor, click on customer support at the top corner of the screen. It's going to take you here, scroll the way down, and you have this USA and Canada, so check the number in here for you to call them by phone. This is how you'll be able to get a refund from Condor. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.